University students and faculty have always known they have a beautiful campus. But the Professional Grounds Management Society and Grounds Maintenance Magazine recently made it official with a merit award for the best maintained campus in the United States. Ball State was one of 4 colleges or universities selected for an award which was presented at the National Convention of the Professional Grounds Management Society in Kansas City, Missouri, and accepted by Ball State Superintendent of Grounds, Wayne Casey. Casey commented on the stiff competition from 26 states.
The awards given to Ball State was really an accomplishment. People really had to feel that they had something to offer before they entered the contest.
Actually, you're one of the top 4 campuses in the country. There were 4 awards given, and Ball State got one of them.
Yes, the pictures that I have seen of the other award-winning campuses makes me feel that Ball State is right up with the best of them in the competition.
Of course, we've always known that this is a great inducement. Students to attend Ball State. First, they come for the academic programs, and second, for the beautiful campus.
That's what I understand, and we like to keep this program going. We feel proud of Ball State in this day and age when students are trying to make a pick of campuses. Why, if they pick one for nice-looking campuses, we want to not only feel that our campus is the best, but to keep improving on it.
Casey pointed out that the campus could not be maintained in its beautiful condition without the cooperation of students and faculty. He said vandalism seldom occurs. Flowers are not picked and landscaped areas are left intact for all to enjoy. Jim Nickerson, Ball State News Bureau.